Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to focus on making a perfectly tileable mesh material for Unreal Engine. You're going to be able to make it scalable as well. Which is going to be a lot of fun. I think you're going to enjoy it. And we're going to go through the whole process starting now. Moving forward, I'm going to minimize this. Great. So this program is called Piskel. It's one of my favorite programs for making patterns. And we're going to be using a completely tileable cube pattern. So what does that mean? It's going to be made for dealing with a cube, not for, let's say, a tetrahedron. So that being said, let's get started, huh? Okay. So the main thing with making a pattern in Piskel is you're going to need to think about it being tileable from all 6 sides. Now, a way to make something tileable from all 6 sides is to actually make it tileable from all 4 sides in Piskel. So, what do I mean by that? Well, what we're going to do is let's make this one really good here. So I love doing this stuff. You're gonna, yeah. We want to make it so we want to make this different from the other one, so it doesn't look like the same kind of that one kind of had a cross kind of look to it. Let's make this one more of an X shape, and let's see how it looks. You'll notice that I'm focusing on having 1, 2, 1. I'm not sure if that one's going to work. That one's good. This is good. It's a little bit of a pixel art. You're like, hey, I'm here for 3D stuff, not 2D. But making a texture in 2D can actually be a lot of fun, and you're going to love it when it actually gets put inside your stuff here. Okay, so this side is a little bit chubbier than this side, so I'm going to make this side chubby. And I'm going to make this side chubby now. 1, 2. That looks okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now these sides need to be chubbier. I'm going to borrow this. Good. I'm going to make this one chubby. One, two, three. Well, okay, I like this. Do you see how there's 3 right here? 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that. We're going to play a little bit of mental minesweeper here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One. See that? 1, 2, 3. So that goes like this. 1, 2, almost. But we had 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. If that's 1, 2, 3, 4, then this goes 1, 2, 3, 4. If you haven't played the game Minesweeper, you're gonna love it. You should play that game. It came with all the older PCs. This looks tileable, and we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, going down all the way. I'm gonna trim out that guy. Perfect. I wonder what it looks like with it in there. Kind of bold, but okay. Now for fun, let's just add like a pink here. It's kind of saucy though. Let's try and make it a little bit less saucy. Okay, good. And then Ooh, that might look good. Okay. Let's resize it. Let's go from the top. 64 by 64. Great. So if you're going to have something that is truly tileable, it should be able to stitch together without any penalty. So let's see what it looks like. Shift on this plus button, make it so I get a dupe. And look at that. Cool. That could be maybe an electric fence or something, but seems like that's viable. And we didn't, I mean, did that even take a long time? Nope. It didn't. 32 by 30. We're going to keep it 32 by 32. Let's save this guy. Sprites. My sprites. My name's Tyler. And I'm going to just call this a pattern. Pattern. Call this X pattern. Save as a pixel. We're going to export it. I'm going to upscale it just one level. But, I mean, very, very simple here. Okay. Get rid of this. We're going to go back into Unreal Engine. Back here. I'm actually going to switch to the, get out of the zoom mode there. Okay, so we have this one. I'm going to go add a new, actually let me get this screen a little bit more so you can see a little bit more what's happening here. 1 second. Unreal. There we go. There it is. Zoom that out so you can see the whole screen a little bit. Great. Okay, that should give you a little bit more fun there. I'm going to lock it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to add a new, I'm making a new material. Okay, let's call this X cube. Okay, I'm just gonna look at this one as a primer here. So how did I do this one before? Okay, my texture sample. Good. Let's do texture sample first. Can you see what I'm doing here? Okay, good. Texture. Sample. Perfect. Bam. Slap it in. Okay, I'm going to make this smaller so you can see more what's going down here. Cool. Then I'm going to... Okay, that's about as zoomed as I can get that there. But... Let me unlock this. Unlock. Okay. I'm going to do some zooming in and out here today just because I notice people like it when they can actually see what's going on. So we're going to texture. That's going to be right over here. Texture none. I think I gotta import this actually into the thing here. Give me 1 second. I didn't actually... Yeah, because I didn't actually import it yet. There we go. X pattern. Okay. I'm like, where is this thing? Okay. There we go. Texture. X. Cube. Oh, we'll probably have to save first. Save. Save, close. Okay, X pattern. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's go to X cube. Texture. I'm going to zoom out one level here. Okay. There we go. X pattern. Bam. That's what we need. Now it should show. Now, okay, see how it's not showing up yet? That's because we need to actually stitch it in. If you don't stitch it in, it's not going to show up right. So let's look at this one. I had this one, base color. This guy. Wait. Okay, yeah, white goes into base color. Good. Now, that's interesting, right? But we want to look at a cube because this is only designed for a cube. Now, it looks like it's right here, but you're going to notice it's not actually going to be correct in our game when we play it. And I'm going to show you why. Because it needs to multiply and all this other stuff. This one, I'm going to delete that. It's not connecting anything. Okay, let me get my multiply. A goes into my UVs. Voila. And then my scale parameter, right? Scale. Okay, I said parameter scale. Okay. What was this guy set to? Oh, what was this? What did I call this one? Texture scale. Whoops. Right. I think that's just a parameter, though. Yeah. So let's call it texture scale. Okay. Default value 1. Is that what this is? It's a parameter name group. Default value slider min max. Okay, whatever. What's this? A texture coordinate? Yep, you can't leave home without that. Texture coordinate. Okay. Oh, that's duh. This is what's going to be. Okay. Double click this bad boy. Come on. Okay, coordinate index, coordinate 0011. Good. 0011. And it looks like we're done. So now I'm going to close this. Yes, I would like to apply changes. Thank you. Okay. Going to drag in an X cube. What in the hell did I just... Okay, I just turned the whole planet purple. That's kind of funky. I'm going to keep it that way because that's like prog rock. Okay. X cube status mix. Where did this thing... I don't want to click on anything. Okay, go. Oh, I made the sky sphere that? That's stupid. Okay. Oh, that's right. I meant to do this. Materials. Let's go. Right. This is the texture. That's the material. Static mesh. No. Wait. Cube. That's fine. X. Okay. Okay, good. Now see how this looks kind of weird? It's not right. So this is what you do. You go like this. Create instance. We're gonna call it. Okay. Okay, now it's the instance. Double click on this thing. Now it's tiling right. Okay. Let's see what happens. Wow, that looks cool on the sphere, actually. Wow, I kind of like, I want to see what that looks like on a sphere here. Wait, what is this? Static mesh. But let's look, let's go into this thing here real quick. Texture scale, let's go set it to 1. Gives me that. Parent. Save. I think it's really messed up here. X cube. Okay, let's look at this one. What do I do differently? Parent cross box. Parent cross box. Texture scale. X cube. Okay. Okay. It's actually, let's go 1, 1, 1. It actually doesn't look that bad. The problem is, it's since it's based on an X shape, it's a little tricky, right? So let's see what this looks like if we switch this to a sphere. Arcade editors. Whoops, I did not mean to make the ground a sphere. This one. Let's go. S, B, H. Huh. That actually looks. I mean, it doesn't look perfect. I mean, it's not perfect like a perfectly UV unwrapped sphere. Let's play. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, that looks kind of cool, right? This one, eh. That one's a little bit roll around. Roll. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, you little sphere. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I'm gonna get you again. I'm gonna get you all around town, if you know what I'm saying. Get you all around town, you little roly roller. Come on, let's go. Come on, Rolly McRollerstein. Okay, so since this is based on an X, it actually looks a little bit better on a. It looked a little bit better on a Rolly McRollerstein than the cube, but let's see what it looks like if we make one that is based on a, oh, I love that. Look at that. Look how this one turned out, like, far away. Looks like there's little cubes within the cubes. Do you see how it looks different far away? Here, I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah. Okay. Let's zoom out here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this one more time. Gonna do this one more time here. That. Okay, we'll go new one. Close this. Let's do this one more time. Let's see if we can get this right here. Okay, let's go 60, 32, 32. Black. Add a new layer. Let's base this, since it's dealing with a cube, maybe let's deal with squares, maybe? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 12. Oh, yeah, I should have done 16. 16. 16, 16. Okay, that looks good, but we don't necessarily have to, like, do the exact same thing, right? We can be a little bit creative people. Let's do something like this. That looks cool. Whoops. Whoops. Just a little repeating pattern. Okay, maybe we can make it look like weird. Like, pew, 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 pew. And then, pew, 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 pew. Would that make sense? I don't know. Let's see. No, let's make it match like this. Pew, 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 pew. Great. And cool. And let's change this one. So it looks like it's got some little pyramid action. Wow. Okay. And the background's black. That's fine. Let's add another layer of like fun stuff to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. If that's 1, 2, 3, that should be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Zap this out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's kind of get this guy in here. Okay, that seems good. Tight. Let's add another one there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Nice and bold. Bold. And maybe we can make it based off of the previous color. So kind of like a okay. Let's go down darker. Okay. Got that looking good. Black, 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 black. Okay. And then maybe we can get funky. So this is kind of like almost like really. And then let's just go bonkers town on it and go like pew, 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 pew. Let's maybe Funkosaurus this out to something a little bit contrasty. We can always Control C. Do we like that? That's too nuclear, I'd say. Let's maybe bring it down a notch. Actually, I kind of want that green for that one. So I'm going to make a little dot right here. Okay. Let's change this to a lighter color. Like, I don't know, lighter gray. Let's take this kind of weird one. Make this, oops. Pew, pew, pew. Interesting. And let's see how this goes. I'm going to call this like pure cube. Pure cube. It's kind of pyramid-like, cube-like, pure cube. Good. Okay, I'm excited about actually getting this one in here. Minimize that. Maximize that. Let's go out of this into... Oops, that's a zoom. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Import. Pure cube. Oh, I need to make this so you can see it better. There you go. Because that's as far down as I'm going to really need to go. This part's a review. Add material. We'll call this pure cube matte. Great. Let's go into here. Got base color. And then we add a texture sample texture, sample. What was it called? I can't remember anything. Textures, oh, it's texture space sample. Okay. Jeez. And it's not texture space sample there. Okay, thanks, coach. Okay. Go pure, P-Y-R. Okay, let's stitch that into the base color. What was the next part? Multiply AB. Multiply. Okay. B. Wait. I don't know. What was it? A go UV. Text. Param. Parameter. Parameter. Can't find it. Let's see. What is it called? Param? A scalar parameter? This should have gone on a B. Okay, this one we're going to call this one. Let's say tile depth. Default value 1. What did I call this one? This one. Texture scale. Okay, that's what. Oops. Text coordinate. Text. Cool. Going to the A. 0, 0. Okay. What, am I missing anything? 0, 0, 1, 1. A, B. It looks like we're good. Save. Switch to a cool retro, brah. Okay, save. Save. Close this. Par cube mat. Create instance. Par cube inst. Let's click on this one. Click on this one. Texture scale. Let's see if we... Oh, that's cool. Let's set it to 3, 4. Whoa. Groovy. Let's see if this does anything. Close. Okay. Par cube inst. Huh? That's kind of cool. Can I make him a wait? Can I make him a chamfer cube? So that's a little weird for me. Oh, no, he is the white is doing it? No. Physical material. Wait, what? The parent is that. Let's look at this one. Material. Default. Oops. This one. Instance, right? Oh. Okay. Nope, it's still not aligned on this. Oh, I messed something up. Okay. I'm missing something. Let's open up this one. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Texture scale 1, 0, 0. Wait. Texture scale none 0, 1, 0, 0. That seems okay to me. What if I went like this? There we go. See that? Now it's good. No, it's not. Wait, let's see how 2.2. Oh, duh. This one's not perfect either. Okay, so let's say I say 2. It's perfect. Okay, so this one, instance, double click it. Say 10. Let's say I say 10. That looks better. Save. So we got to use more cubic. There, that looks much better, right? Okay, let's go back to this one. Got this one. So I guess you got to be thinking about your slider and everything, because it still needs to be mathematically sound. Okay, got this one. So this one, one by 1 by 1, 1.5 by 1.5 by 1 by 5. Gotcha. Let's say 10. Whoa, not 110. That's extreme. 10, 10, 10. That's too big. Let's say 4, 4, 4, right? And then let's go into the instance here. Let's switch it to 4. Let's see if it's legal there. That's legal. Save. Save. And see how it's pretty close there. It's kind of chamferish, but got one. Ooh, let's go from the top. Got this one. That looks pretty cool. I mean, I could do a little bit better with maybe he's trying going from a... Oh, this cube is not good. Let's go chamfer's better. Okay. So now we learned something, right? Chamfer's better. And then what's this? This is just a cube. Let's see if we could just go cube. Cube. 1 meter. Not 1m cube, just cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Whoa. That's better. Okay, so that's a cube. It's not a... It's a cube. It's not a cube. It's a cube. Okay. Wow. I want to play now. Ow. I should be dead. Okay. That one's... Okay, that's cool. Where's that ball, though? I want to play with that ball again. Where did it go? Get... Wow. Where did I put that ball? Okay. Let's try getting this ball over here. I think I got rid of it. We are going to change this one. First of all, this is just ridiculous. Let's get this from 4 to 1 to, let's go 2 to 2 to, not 24, 2 to 2 to, come on, 2. Better. Let's turn this into a ball. S-P-H-E-R-E. Editor, sphere, static sphere, space, sphere. And let's put that on it. Whoa. Okay, I want this bigger though. Let's go 2 by 2 by 2. Wow, that looks really cool. Looks like some kind of weird ornament. Okay, let's play. Go that. Okay, that's terrifying. Let's roll this roller. And I think now you're... Oh, okay, that's... Whoa. Yo, go. Okay, I think you're starting to see that making these patterns and stuff can be a lot of fun. And then remember, these patterns I just made in, quite literally seconds, and it was just me messing around with the, it was more the math on it, like, oh wait, I was using a float when I really should have been using an integer. Integer's a whole number, and I think it's a lot of fun here. This one looks beautiful, right? Imagine if we made these more high res, because these are quite simple. I mean, you can see the pixelation, right? But let's look at the file size. Let me grab my file size. That's wrong. Is it wrong? No, it's not. Tyler Sprites, that's me. What is it? Pattern. Look at this pattern. 612 bytes. It's not a lot of bytes. So I definitely hope this was fun, and thanks for sticking around. Oh wow, this is a long video, but hey, at least you got to see the process in action, right? And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye bye.